This is something new. B-roll footage of Knotlocks. A new era of the channel, possibly? Voiceover content that can also show my skills in cinematography at the same time? I think it's a perfect package. I'm literally just enjoying a new lens that I have bought and put it on my camera and a gimbal, and figured I would try and test out to see the weight and test out filming myself on the go. And you can see how my locks look a bit different here since I've trimmed a little bit off. So sorry, I just thought it was a little bit funny hearing my own voice in this moment. But the audio quality actually is turning out quite phenomenal. So yes, this will be a new series for the show. Doing my best just to keep the content flowing and entertaining the lockheads at the masses. Extreme selfie test! Wow. Surprisingly enough, I can do a selfie shot while walking with this lens on. 18 to 105. It's pretty wide and pretty tight at the same time, but it's heavy.